the call for action. The second part of the call of the Quran. And this call is directed towards who? Who profess they believe. Ya ayyuhal lazina amanu. The first 4 ayahs started with Ya ayyuhan nas. And here, Ya ayyuhal lazina amanu. O you who profess to believe. Irka'u wasjudu wa'budu rabbakum waf'alul khayra la'allakum tuflihun. 4 imperatives, 4 awamir. Irka'u, bow before your Lord, whom you have accepted as your Lord. You say you have accepted Allah as your Lord. Raditu billahi rabban wa bi Muhammadin rasulan wa bil Islami deena. Now bow before him. Bow further, prostrate yourself before him. Wa'budu rabbakum. And obey him, obey your Lord. Be a bondsman to him. Behave as a bondsman to him. وَفْعَلُوا الْخَيْرِ. And do good. لَعَلَّكُمْ تُفْلِحُونَ. Maybe that you can get falah.